At the office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we're proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with EECU, Table Mountain Rancheria, Fresno State, and KC24. Thank you for watching Positive Stories about Education.
Well, as the song says, school's out for summer. But that's not the case this year, with thousands of kids heading straight to summer school. In tonight's Education Matters, Juanita Stevenson reports on how the pandemic has school districts adding in-person summer programs to help students catch up.
Hey there, how are you? Celia, hello.
The last week of school at Sierra Vista Elementary, and teacher Michael Williamson knows the areas where his students still need work. That will be his focus in summer school.
I'm teaching 5th grade again for summer school, so being able to focus on fractions again, being able to focus on multiplication facts, getting them ready for 6th grade on some of those foundational skills that they need to be successful in 6th grade.
The Clovis Unified School District, like many others, is ramping up its summer school programs, adding more sites in anticipation of a greater need.
With the setbacks that we had for this past year, we knew that we were probably going to have some additional students that were wanting to come to, that were going to be needing summer school.
For Clovis, that meant doubling the number of elementary school sites to 10 and offering programs including career technical education at every high school in the district.
We knew that we were going to have to provide those opportunities for students, especially secondary, where they're making up credits, and we want them to walk across that stage, in 12th grade.
It is the acknowledgement that the pandemic, along with distance learning, has had a huge impact on education, on students.
So many of them have been on Zooms or whatever platform that we're using, and just being able to interact with each other in person, learn to play games with each other, learning how to share again, learning how to work collaboratively in a classroom is going to be a huge step for a lot of us.
Getting kids back on campus learning in person is a main goal for Fresno Unified. The district is offering summer school programs at all of its high schools, including alternative campuses, programs at all middle school sites, and at over 60 elementary schools.
Yes, we're going to be doing great learning experiences, helping students that need to recover some skills in literacy or math, or maybe it's credits in high school. We really want it to be a fun, enriching, and a relevant time.
Along with CTE programs, the district is providing a wide variety of summer camp opportunities, free. The goal is to get more kids back on campuses, showing parents it's safe for their student to return to school.
We want our students and our families to know that this is a safe place to be, and it is a place and an opportunity for them to come back, to reconnect with their teachers, reconnect with the school as we transition back to school full-time this fall.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.
And Clovis is expecting more than 8,000 students to attend summer classes, and Fresno Unified could see up to 20,000 kids this summer.